In today's competitive marketplace, standing out is more than just promoting your brand. It's about elevating your customers to be the central characters of your story. Why does this matter? Because shifting from a brand-centric to a customer-centric narrative not only increases engagement, but also drives loyalty and sales. When you make your customers the heroes, your marketing strategy resonates more deeply and yields better results. Consider how giants like Apple and Nike excel in customer-centric storytelling. Apple doesn't just sell technology. It showcases how its devices empower users to be more creative, more productive. And Nike? It celebrates the individual achievements of its customers, positioning its products as tools to overcome personal challenges. The benefits are clear. Increased engagement. Customers forge a stronger connection when they see themselves in your brand's narrative. Enhanced loyalty. Customers recognize your brand as one that truly understands and values their journey. Greater conversions. A customer-focused narrative is far more compelling than a straightforward product pitch. How can you apply this? Listen and understand. Dive deep into your customers' needs through direct engagement. Craft relatable messages. Develop communications that position your products as tools to help customers achieve their goals. Leverage real success stories. Highlight testimonials where customers have successfully used your products to solve their problems. But beware of common pitfalls. Overbranding. Ensure your brand's voice doesn't overshadow your customer's story. Ignoring feedback. Incorporate customer feedback to keep your messaging relevant and resonant. Inauthentic narratives. Support your storytelling with genuine actions that reflect your brand's values. Ready to transform your marketing narrative? Contact Webociti today to learn how we can help you rewrite your script and let your customers lead your brand to new heights.